Good evening, guys. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how we are going to remove the background from an image or a text background. If you want to remove a background from an image or a text, so what are what are you going to do? The first thing is you are using a website called remove.pg. So let me make an example. Let's do some example. Okay. So let's open it again. So I want to import my image. I want to import a background rather. I'm sorry. So I want to import a background. For us to do that, I've taught you that before. So you move to this icon to import my background. I downloaded it from the website. I taught you how to download background from the website in our last two tutorials. And I give you some assignment that you download a image stock. It's also known as image background. Okay, so this is an example. So this is the image where is it? Okay, sorry, let's wait, it's loading. Okay, okay, this is the image I want to use as my background. Okay, so when you are done, you click on OK. So I delete the text because I'm not dealing with text today. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to import a building, a built house around this area. I want the house to be in this area. So how am I going to do that? I have to import my house. Move to import again. Don't forget, this is where you are going to import what you are going to place on your design. Click on import. When you click on it, so I have to go and take it from my gallery. So I downloaded it. Let's check it. Okay, this is the house. This is the house I want to import. I want to place it in the building. Can you see that? If this house is placed here, it's going to look it's not going to look fine. It's not going to be beautiful. So I have to remove the background of this house. How am I going to do that? So then don't forget, when I start this video, I said we are going to use a website called remove.bg. So then let me minimize. Then you click on remove.bg. Sorry, remove.bg. Can you see? Remove.bg. You click on search. Sorry, remove.bg. So it's loading. This is the front page of the website. This is the front page of the website. So when you click on it, you have to click on upload images. When you upload image, it's going to take you to your gallery. So let's click on it. Can you see? So this is the house I want to upload. I want to remove the background. So I have to remove the background of this house. So you click on the house and you click on done. Can you see that the original is what loading? That means it's uploading it from your file onto the web page. So can you see it's changed from original to what removed background? It means this image here, image for another here has been removed. The background has been removed. Now see the original. Can you see that there is sky there? Look at the removed one. There is no more sky. Then you download it. So when you click on download, you click on download. So it has been downloaded. Then let's move back. Then let's use our can you see? If I want to let you know the difference between the image that doesn't have background and the one that has background, so let's import the one I downloaded now. This is it. Can you see that it has black background? Let's click on it. Sorry. So this is the house. I have to reduce it a little bit. I want to reduce it so that it's going to look fine and neat. Can you see that if this house is placed, can you see the difference between the two houses? That's the functions of removing the background of any object. So then let's delete the former one and let's work on this. Reduce it. Don't forget I said this thing, the one here, this is used to reduce your image or object uniformly. That's not going to increase one side and reduce. So can you see now? You see that there is reducing both the height and the width of the image. So let's move it to the side. So I want to reduce it a little bit. If I place this out, I want to reduce it a little bit. So now let me place it here. Now can you see that? Let's move it a little bit. Let's use our move cursor here. Let's reduce it a little bit because it's hair. Yes, very good. So let's place it here. Let's check it. Let's move this a little bit. Let's move it a little bit. So can you see that if you are told, or if they tell you that this house is not built inside this house, it is hardly to believe, because you think that can't see that the background of the house and the tree looks alike. The house look sunny and the sky also looks sunny. Can you see? So that's the functions of removing the background. So if you want to remove any background, just go to remove.bg, you remove the background and use the icon. The reason why I asked you to do that is that you may be given an assignment, ask you to draw or use design. You may ask to design a markup. For example, you want to design a markup for any, maybe a fruit fruit drinks industry. No, you have to use a can. So for you to use that can, you have to remove the background of the can, so that it will just, you will be left with the only can. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So that's where we are going to stop for today. So see you in the next video. Bye for today. That's what we have for today's class. Your own assignment is also try and do this and import 4 different objects on this text, on this design. So your first one will be here. Just import any 4 different objects. I am not saying the same one, different, apart from building. It may be building here, it may be maybe a restaurant here. Just import any 4 different things that it will make this grass look like like a estate. So if this is an house here, so search for the what you want to use. If you want to use restaurant, search for the restaurant. So when you Google restaurant, it's going to give you many pictures of a restaurant building. So search for restaurant, search for sport or stadium. Just look for things so to make this place just look lively, and import it on it, remove the background and import it, and tell me and submit it as your assignment. That's your assignment for today. I'm going to write it out also. So bye for now.